In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite and manage guests in Restream Studio for your next live stream. Whether you're new to streaming or looking to enhance your online broadcasting experience, understanding how to seamlessly bring guests into your show can make all the difference. We'll dive into each step to ensure you're confident and ready to host engaging live sessions with ease. Let's start by opening Restream Studio and selecting the stream scene you'll be using for your broadcast. This scene will act as the primary visual setting for your stream, providing the backdrop and layout as you interact with your audience and guests. Once your scene is ready, it's time to invite others to join you. On the right side of the Restream Studio screen, you'll notice a panel labeled Sources. This is your go-to area for inviting guests and managing their appearance in your stream. Click on Sources, and you'll see an option that says Copy Invite Link. Sometimes you might see Invite Guests instead, depending on the interface updates. This link is essentially your open invitation for others to join your live stream. Share this link with your guest or guests, and you'll be pleased to know that they don't need an account to join, so the process is smooth and simple for everyone involved. Once your guest clicks the invite link, they will enter the backstage area of your studio. Now, don't be alarmed if you don't see them on your main screen immediately. They won't automatically appear on screen. Instead, they show up under the Sources menu. This gives you, the host, the ultimate control to manage when and how they are introduced to your viewers. To bring your guest into the spotlight, you simply, as a host, have the power to toggle them on, making them visible on screen for your audience to see. Once on screen, you can interact with them seamlessly. If at any point you need to remove them from the visual stream, you can toggle them off, effectively keeping them backstage but still connected to the session. This on and off control is particularly useful for managing the flow of your stream, allowing for a dynamic and controlled live event. Beyond just bringing them on or off screen, Restream Studio also gives you the capacity to manage additional guest settings. For instance, you can rename a guest for proper identification or branding during the stream. And if necessary, you have the option to remove them altogether if the situation calls for it. By the end of these steps, you should feel well equipped to handle guest appearances on your streams confidently. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each stream is an opportunity to refine your hosting skills further. Thanks for joining today, and happy streaming.